Hello and welcome back to the Chibi Cornet YouTube channel. So I'm going to just be very candid with y'all. This is like my 5th time trying to record this voiceover. I don't really like the way my voice sounds, and that's why I don't really tend to do voiceovers, but please bear with me. I'm just trying to do something new for the channel, and I noticed that people tend to watch a little bit longer whenever I'm speaking in my videos. So here I am in my raspy voiceness. I don't really have much to say. I could talk about the materials of this painting. I used Craft Smart paints. You've probably seen them in like your local Michaels or even like Walmart. They're the super cheap, tiny acrylics. They're like the size of like your palm or something like that. Yeah, those. That's the type of paints I used for this painting. They're the only paints that I have on hand right now, aside from these big old tubes of white and black paint from Artist Loft. I'm really planning on upgrading those soon to better quality, or at least like student grade paints, because my goodness, the amount of times that I've had to layer on this painting was getting kind of annoying a little bit. Like, I appreciated it. I liked how I could make an error and then just like paint over it, no problem, but the thing with these cheap paints is, yeah, you can paint over an error like any other painting, but since they're kind of thinner in a lot of ways, like they're more watery, I don't know how to explain it. So anyway, like if you try and paint over an error, but like say the error that you painted is a really dark shadow area, most likely that dark colored paint is going to shine through if the paint that you're using is of a lighter value. So stuff like that was a little annoying, but you know what? I worked over it, and oh my gosh, this is the end of the video. I had no idea how fast I sped up this whole process. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry that the conversation is ending in a really awkward spot, but I'll see you guys real soon, and I plan on uploading another video this week, so keep your eyes peeled for that. See you guys later. Bye.